discussion, chapter 1, exercise 1.3, sixth problem. Today we are discussing exercise 1.3, sixth problem. Third main sixth problem. Given A is equal to 2, D is equal to 8, Sn is equal to 90. Find n and an value. See, in this problem, they given A value 2 and D value is 8, Sn is equal to 90. Now we should find out n and an values. See, here they given Sn is equal to 90. That's why take Sn formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here Sn is equal to 90. 90 is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d value is 8. Here 2 is dividing. It comes to left hand side, it will be multiply. Therefore, 90 into 2 is 180 is equal to n into 2 into a. 2 into a means a value is 2. That means 2 into 2 plus here 8 into n is 8n plus into minus 8 ones are 8. Now 180 is equal to n into 2 twos are 4 plus 8n minus 8. 180 is equal to here 8n minus 8 plus 4 is minus 4. Now 180 is equal to here n into 8n is 8n square minus n into 4 is 4n. Now 8n square minus 4n, this plus 180 comes to right hand side, it will be minus 180 is equal to 0. Now find the factors of this equation. Now here 4 is common in this. Now take 4 common. Then here 4 2s are 2n square. That means 4 2s are 8n square. 2n square. Here 4 is common. Remaining is n. 2n square minus n minus 45 is equal to 0. Now 2n square minus n minus 45 is equal to, here 4 will come this side, it will be 0. Now here 2 into 45 is 90. Now write down LCM of 90. Here 2 18s are 5 18s are 90. 2 9s are 18. Now 2 5s are 10. 9. Here last is a minus sign is there. That's why you subtract these two. 10 minus 9 is 1. See, we will, if we subtract these two, we will get the middle term. That means 10n minus 9n is n. Here middle term is n. Then take this 10 comma 9. Now 2n square minus 10n plus 9. See, here minus 10n plus 9 is minus n. Okay. Now 2n square minus 10n plus 9 minus 45 is equal to 0. In these two terms, 2n is common. If we are taking 2n common, then remaining is n minus 5 plus, here in these two 9 is common. That's why we are taking 9 common. Now remaining is n minus 5 is equal to 0. In these two terms, n minus 5 is common. Now we are taking n minus 5 is common. Then n minus 5 into 2n plus 9 is equal to 0. Here n minus 5 is equal to 0. N is equal to minus 5 comes to this side, it will be plus 5. Therefore n is equal to 5. Now here 2n plus 9 is equal to 0. Therefore n is equal to minus 9 by 2. Now we won't consider this value, because here positive number is 5. N is equal to 5. Now that n value is substitute in this a5, because we should find out an value. We got n value is equal to 5. That's why an is equal to a5. Now a5 is equal to a plus 4d. A value is 2 plus 4 into d value is 8. 2 plus 4 2s are 32. 2 plus 32 is 34. Now go Now we will solve next problem. Seventh problem. Given A is equal to 8, AN is equal to 62, SN is equal to 210. Find N and D value. Here they given A value and AN value, SN value. Now we should find out N and DN value. Now see here, they given SN value. SN is equal to 210. SN is what? SN formula? SN is equal to N by 2 into A plus AN. AN is the last term. Now SN is equal to 210 is equal to N by 2 into A value is 8 plus AN value is 62. Now SN 210 is equal to, here N by 2 into 62 plus 8 is 70. Now we will cancel these two and the 70, we will get 35. 35 N is equal to 210. N is equal to 210 by 35. If we cancel these two, we will get 6. Therefore N is equal to 6. Here number of terms is 6. Now we should find out D value. To find out D value, take AN formula, nth term formula. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Here AN value is 62. 62 is equal to A value is 8 plus N minus 1. That means here N is equal to 6. 6 minus 1 is 5D. Now here 5D is equal to 62. This plus 8 comes to this side. It will be minus 8. 62 minus 8. 5D is equal to 62 minus 8 is 54. D is equal to 54 by 5. If we cancel these two, we will get 10.8. Therefore, here N value is 6 and D value is 10.8. Now, next problem, 8th problem. Given AN is equal to 4, D is equal to 2, SN is equal to minus 14. Find N and A value. In this question, they given AN value, D value, SN value. We should find out N and A. That means first term. Number of terms and first terms. AN is equal to, see here AN they given. That's why first you take AN. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Here AN value is 4 is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D value is 2. Now 4 is equal to A plus 2 into N 2N minus 2 ones are 2. Now A plus 2N is equal to, this minus 2 goes to this side, it will be plus 2. That means 4 plus 2 is 6. 2N plus A plus 2N is equal to 6. This we can write A is equal to, this plus 2N goes to this right hand side, will be minus 2N. A is equal to 6 minus 2N. Now in this SN also they given. Take this SN formula. SN is equal to N by 2 into A plus AN. AN means last term. SN is equal to N by 2 into A plus AN value is 4. SN value is minus 14. Minus 14 is equal to N by 2 into A plus 4. Here this 2 is dividing here. It will goes to this side. It will be multiply. Now 14 into 2 is 28. N into A plus 4 is equal to minus 28. Now in this A place, submit this value 6 minus 2N. That is minus 28 is equal to N into, in this A we are submitting this value 6 minus 2N plus 4. Now minus 28 is equal to N into minus 2N plus 6 plus 4 is plus 10. Minus 28 is equal to N into 2N is plus into minus minus, N into 2N is 2N square plus 10 into N is 10N. Now minus 2N comes to this side, it will be plus 2N square, 2N square. Here plus 10N comes to this side, minus 10N. minus 28 is equal to 0. In this equation 2 is common. Take 2 outside. 2 into n square minus 5n minus 14 is equal to 0. Now 2 goes to this side, it will be 0. N square minus 5n minus 14 is equal to 0. Now we will find out the factors of this equation. Now here 1 into 14 is 14. 14 LCM is here 2 sevens are 14. Now last here it is a minus sign is there. That's why subtract these two. 7 minus 2 is 5. If we subtract these two, we will get the middle term. 7 minus 5. If 7 minus 2 is 5. Now take this 7 and 2. 7 and 2n. Now n square is equal to minus 7n plus 2n minus 14 is equal to 0. See, minus 7n plus 2n is minus 5n. Now in these two terms, n is common. If we are taking n common, see here n square is there. We are taking n common. Then what will be remain? N minus 7 plus, in these two 2 is common. If we are taking 2 common outside, 2 into n minus 7. In these two, n minus 7 is common. N minus 7 into here n plus 2 is equal to 0. N minus 7 is equal to 0. N is equal to 7. Here n plus 2 is equal to 0. N is equal to minus 2. Now n is equal to 7. Now that value you substitute in equation 1. A is equal to 6 minus 2n. A is equal to 6 minus 2 into n value is 7. A is equal to 6 minus 2 sevens are 14. A is equal to minus 14 plus 6 is minus 8. Now next problem. Given A is equal to 3, N is equal to 8, Sn is equal to 192. Find D and find D value. Now what they given here? A value, N value and Sn value. A value is 3, N value is 8, Sn is equal to 192. Now take Sn formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here Sn is equal to 192. 192 is equal to n is equal to 8. 8 by 2 into a value is 3 plus n value is 8. 8 minus 1 into d. Now 192 is equal to, here 2 ones are 2 fours are 4 into 2 threes are 6 plus 7 minus 8 minus 1 is 7d. Now this 4 here multiplying, it comes to the left hand side, it will divide. Now 192 divided by 4 is 48 is equal to 6 plus 7d. Now 7d is equal to 48. This plus 6 comes to left hand side, it will be minus 6. 48 minus 6. 7d is equal to 48 minus 6 is 42. Now d is equal to 42 by 7. 7 ones are 7, 6. Therefore d is equal to 6. Here d value is 6. Okay. Now next problem. Given L is equal to 28. L means last term. L is equal to 28. S is equal to 144. And there are 9 terms. 9 terms means n value. N is equal to 9. Find the value of A. Now what they given in the question? L is equal to 28. S 144. N is equal to 9. We should find out A value. Now Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus L. Sn value is 144 is equal to n value is 9. 9 by 2 into A plus L value is 28. 144 is equal to 9 by 2 into A plus 28. 144 is equal to, this 9 by 2 comes to this side, it will be reciprocal. That means 2 by 9 is equal to A plus 28. If we cancel these two, 9 ones are 9 ones are 9, and here 5 will come. 9 6 are 54. Now 16 into 2 is 32 is equal to a plus 28. A is equal to 32. This plus 28 comes to this side, minus 28. A is equal to 32 minus 28 is 4. A value is 4.